working. Yeah, you're working. Bloody good job. So I'm officially unemployed. Got made redundant because there's bloody COVID-19. So I've been hitting the gym and doing a bit of networking and generally taking my time about stuff. But I'm off to the gym. It's going to be a short video. Just wanted to say hello and also share some footage from the new drone. Well, it's not really mine, but I'm still going to share footage. Yeah. Right. Let's do it. Whoa. There's the sun's out. Hello, get out of the way. Ooh, nice little pop. Yeah, so I got made redundant. That fucking sucks, but it's also good because I'd had enough, to be honest. My mum is still stuck here from the UK. She goes home in 6 days. And my son tells me he's moving out because he doesn't want to pay me rent comparable to that of a flat when he could go and move into a flat. So, you know, let's all go. What are you doing, mate? Right, now the roads are dry. We just put it into, turn the traction control off and put it into sport. Big block of apartments going in there. God, it's coming up quick, man. Woo. Man, muck around these fellas. Woohoo! Makes it a nice little wrap. Has anyone else been made redundant because of COVID-19? I'd be interested to hear what it's like out there, wherever you may be. We're in New Zealand, Auckland, New Zealand, and we have no cases of the disease, the virus, and our borders are shut to people pretty much. If you don't want to spend 2 weeks in a government facility being quarantined. Oh yeah! So I'm going to City Fitness in Newmarket, which is a new gym. It's, yeah, it's brand new. It's really nice actually. It's got big like floor-to-ceiling windows on one side, so you can see out across the city. Loads of space, loads of equipment. Yeah, I'll give you a little bit of a gander when I go in. Ooh, hello, where did you come from? I'll give you a little bit of a gander when I go in, but I won't say anything because it's just a bit weird if I do. So this is where I lost my license a year and a half ago for a month, doing 120 at an 80k zone. So now I'm pretty careful. There's clouds, man. Spooky. I'm also trying to give up puffing on my vape. So what am I now? Day 3 without touching it. So I'm chewing on gum and eating shitloads of food, which is all a bit of compensation for the taste of the vape, I guess, but getting there. I was just fucking hell, man. I was just on it all the time. It's like getting changed with it in my mouth. It was so fucking weird. It was just making me feel like shit as well. I feel so much clear-headed without it. So if anyone out there is a vapor, I suggest give it a go. It's hard to get off it, but it only takes a little bit of time to break a habit, I reckon. Thursday today, nearly the weekend, although every day is a weekend at the moment. It's a bit shit. go past my old office actually now. Iron Bank it's called. Looks like a bunch of rusty old... Oh shit, am I going the right way? Yeah, I am. Looks like a bunch of rusty old containers all piled on top of each other. Man, I've got a bottle of whiskey I need to pick up from there. Just reminded me. That one there. See, just there. White line there, mate. There's a white line. Oh yeah, where am I going up? Where do I go up? Where do I go up? Oh, it sounds good in the car park. Loud. Very loud. Shops. Way out. I want to go up. I want to go up to level 4. How the fuck do I get up to level 4? Down there? Maybe? No? Maybe? No? 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 Ah. Oh, traffic. That looks like more parking. What? What the fuck? How the fuck? What? How the fuck do I get out of this fucking... What the fuck? Way out. Upper level. Oh, I'm fucking driven straight past it. What a muppet. Right. Now I know where I am. Come on. Oh yeah, I go straight round here. Oh, it's ever so slippery, this concrete. It's like glass. And when it gets a bit wet or gets a bit of oil on it, it's deadly. I don't really want to be sliding the back end out because that looks a bit bad. Well, it looks great, but it looks bad if I fall off, which I probably would do. Hello. Level 3 am. Going up to level 4. Whoa. Slippery slidey. There we are, level 4. Bish bosh bash. Wallop. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Right, there you go. Bish bash bosh. Wallop. I've got my keys. Fuck. Please have your keys. Nope. Nope. Got my wallet. Bollocks. I'm going to leave you running whilst I go in. Try and give you a bit of a glimpse. DR400. Not really my cup of tea, to be honest. Still warm. Squeezy, squeezy, throughy, throughy. Oh yeah. Oh no, don't rain. Please don't rain. I think every time I come out of this car park, it starts to rain. Fuck, it is raining, that hurt. Like a little bee sting in the eye. Ah, oh, shit, it is raining. You bastard. Okie dokie, bro. Come on. Come on. I can feel the rain on the back of my neck. You might have a hot girlfriend, mate, but you still couldn't keep your eyes off my bike. Green lights all the way. Watch over, mate. Oh yeah, here it comes now. Fucking great. Just as I'm getting on the motorway. Come on. Give us a break. Give us a break, man. Go away, rain. No, come back another day. Yeah, or don't. That's a big grey, horrible looking cloud. think I'm on the outskirts of it, because it's kind of blue over there and then grey over there. Typical Auckland weather. You go out without a jacket, you get rained on. You go out with a jacket, the sun shines and you get cooked. It's a very strange climate. You people in the UK will know what that's all about. It's very similar to you and to yours. See, look, it's raining and the sun's out. What the fuck? A bit of a wipey wipester. Does anyone else do that when they riding in the rain? Like, turn your head one way, all the water goes from there to there. Turn the head the other way, all the water goes from there to there. So you've got a clear visor. Does anyone else do that? I don't know. I do it. I always find that putting car polish on your visor as well, like polishing your visor, puts that kind of layer of wax across it, so the water, when the water goes on, you know how like water goes on a polished car, it beads and rolls off. It does the same thing on a clean, has to be clean helmet visor. 50 kilometers an hour, everybody. I hope you realise. Did I say 50 or 80? 80. I'm sure I said 80. Oh, you motherfucker. No! Where the fuck is that even coming from? There's not even any clouds. What the fuck? Clouds over there? Like, no fucking clouds here and it's raining. I don't get it. What the fuck? Very fucking strange. Strange. Now that, oh god, what's going on with the traffic? A little sneaky one up the inside there. Something going on. It's a school pickup. Is that what it is? Must be. Oh shit, shut that again. Still raining. Look at that, blue fucking sky. Where the fuck is that rain coming from? There's nothing. Nowhere near me. Over there there is. But it's still raining. It doesn't make any sense. I can't see shit. Oh my god, my fucking visor's just fucking fallen off.